Greetings, YouTube. Cool Dog is stalking a little critter today. I think there's a little squirrel out there running around. It'll be interesting to see if she tries to eat it. You gonna eat the squirrel? Cool Dog, you gonna eat that squirrel? You better not eat that squirrel. As we hear strange sounds in the distance this morning. I've been hearing a lot of strange sounds this morning. You hear that? That's right, bizarre sounds fill Cool Dog's morning. Cool Dog doesn't care. She don't even feel like chasing squirrels today. Well, it's clouding up and the wind's starting to blow. Looks like it's gonna rain again. It'll be what, day 11 straight days of rain here in South Carolina. Makes it kind of hard to get out here and make videos when it rains every day. But if that weird sound starts back, I'll come back out and start another video. Seems like it's stopped for now. At least I think I got a little bit of it the first minute or two of this video. Listen back, let me know. Let me know what you think makes that weird noise. And we'll be back again with another video in the near future. Blog over.